This question came up because I just did an article about Cricut Access. If you haven't read it, head over to my website, seanmosh.com, to check it out. Someone asked me, if you have Cricut Access, how do you cancel it? If you're in Cricut Design Space, click right up here, and when you go to Cricut Access, this brings up all your settings. So this is how you would start your free trial. Then if you go under account details and sign in, either under payment settings, you could go and remove the credit card that you have automatically paying for Design Space, or you could go under subscription. Currently, I don't have an active subscription because I don't subscribe to Access, but if you had one, it would be there and you can get rid of it. Payment settings shows the card that you have currently on your subscription. So if I was purchasing one image, this is the card it would go to. You could delete that card, which would then stop your subscription, or just go here to subscriptions and cancel it. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.